bell! Time to go home! Check out the fire escape on that building!
Wow. This city is amazing! I love this costume! Wait!
Come along now, it's much warmer inside.
I'm scared, Father. It smells down there.
Nonsense, it's home. Go on, quickly now. Get him! Don't let the brat get away! Another victory for the amazing Spider Cat! Stay tangled, guys!
Thank you for bringing him home safely.
He's a good kid.
Are you ready for this, champ?
We know you'll do wonderfully.
I won't let you down. The city needs me. This looks delicious, honey. You've outdone yourself.
Thank you. Eat up, sweetie.
Can I have some more salad, please?
This is it. Phase 1 is a go. Move out.
Let's go!